Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this violet and black nail look with gold detail. If you like what you see, stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, so I already have one coat of base coat on my nails and I'm adding a second. Adding another layer of base coat isn't necessary, but it's what I like to do, okay? So I'm doing it, but you can leave it out if you want. As I add the base coat, I'm making sure that I'm wrapping the edges of each of my fingernails. Now it's time to add my colours, so I'm putting black on my baby fingernail, this nude sheer colour on my ring finger and middle fingernail. Violet will be going on my index fingernail, and I go back to the sheer colour on my thumbnail. Now I'm going to go ahead and give all of my nails a second coat of each colour. Up next, striping tape. I'm placing the tape on the left and right side of my nails at a diagonal angle. Time to add the colour. So on my ring fingernail, I added some black on the left side and violet on the right side. Onto the middle fingernail, this time violet on the left side of the nail and black on the right. Last but not least, onto my thumbnail, I decided to add the black on the left side of my nail and violet on the right. And there you go. Once that's all done, you can peel off the striping tape. And you should be left with this. Adding more striping tape. This time I decided to use gold as it's going to be on my nail, but you can use any colour you like. And I'm placing the tape at a diagonal angle on the appropriate nails. Once the tape is secure, you can go ahead and cut off the excess and then move on to your last step, which is to add a nice thick top coat. Making sure that you wrap the edge of the nail so that the manicure lasts a decent amount of time. And it's a quick dry, of course, because I have no patience. All done. And you are left with this black and violet nail look with gold detail, of course. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share. If you didn't, I don't know what to tell you. And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!